Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through the steps to restore your World App account. If your backup was enabled, the process is usually simple and quick. When you open the World App on the same device where you originally created your account, your main account should automatically appear on the screen. This happens because the app recognizes your previous setup. Once you see your account on the screen, tap on it to select it. You will then be asked to enter your account password. Carefully type your password and confirm it. After entering the correct password, your account should be restored and you will be able to access it just like before. If you did not enable backup, restoring your account becomes more difficult. In this case, the only reliable way to recover it is by contacting customer support. To do this, you first need to create a new account. You can do this on another device. Once the new account is created, open the World App and go to the Settings menu located in the top right corner of the screen. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option called Support and tap on it. After that, look again in the top right corner and tap the icon that allows you to contact customer support. This will open a form or a chat window where you can explain your problem. Clearly describe your issue and provide as many details as you can, such as the email or phone number associated with your lost account. The support team usually reviews these requests and will most likely help you to recover access to your original account. Thanks for watching.